I'm often asked is, what do I do if I think my child has ADD or ADHD? In this video I will address this question and the steps one should take after making this determination. First of all, no, it's not your fault. Every child is unique in the way they behave, conduct themselves, take on tasks, and accept and relay information. Just because your child seems wild and out of control does not mean they have a disease and that they need to be medicated. That determination is being made by people who profit from the medications that they are suggesting, and are mostly ignorant people with very little knowledge about what those medications really are and what they can do. Yes, your child might calm down. Yes, your child might do better in school. However, the schools, doctors, and pharmacies are downplaying the horrible side effects that go along with these treatments. Some people don't realize that cocaine, crystal meth, and ADHD drugs are actually on the same DEA list and are proven to cause brain atrophy. Brain atrophy describes a loss of neurons and the connection between them. Atrophy can be generalized, which means that all of the brain has shrunk, or it can be focal, affecting only a limited area of the brain and resulting in a decrease of the functions of that area that the brain controls. These drugs also cause lifetime socio and physical dependence while stunting physical and mental development. These drugs are responsible for teens, children, and adults having strokes, Tourette syndromes, and dropping dead without warning. All ADHD medication is unnecessary for the fact that good doctors have found safe, all-natural alternatives that are working. However, the drug companies don't want people to know this or they would be out of business. One of the doctors on the front line of this revolution is named Yannick Pauly. Dr. Yannick Pauly is the director of the Center Wellness NeuroFit in Louvain, Switzerland. He is the founder of Brain Potential, a rehabilitation program that combines brain exercises, nutrition, and natural treatment to help children overcome ADHD, dyslexia, and other neurodevelopmental disorders. Dr. Pauly is the founder of Unritalin Solution, the go-to resource for everything related to the natural management of ADHD. He publishes every week showing parents how to cope with the challenge of raising a hyper child. He publishes on his website about ADHD at school, overcoming reading and math difficulties, ADHD parenting, dealing with violent outbursts, and even has an article on there called 10 Ways to Get Your ADHD Child to Bed. He has an unlimited resource of information on his eZine website. In just a quick Google search, you should be able to find that information. Also, I have the information posted below on my website. He is one of the many sources for alternatives to ADHD drugging. In this video, we go over meditation, ADHD diets, and naturopathic doctors. These are the only true safe ways to treat an ADHD child. And if everyone knew this, the pharmaceutical companies wouldn't make a single penny of the now $400 billion that they made in 2011. Not to mention your child's school, the doctor, and the pharmacy that are all getting a cut of the profits. Now, as parents and educators search for the options and alternatives, groundbreaking research is showing effectiveness through transcendental meditation technique. It's a non-drug approach to ADHD. Insights in Health explores the research and experiences using the transcendental meditation technique for ADHD. To learn more about this, please visit ADHD-tm.org. That information can also be found on my website. That link will be posted below. ADHD diets. Ideally, an ADHD diet would help the brain work better and lessen symptoms of the disorder, such as restlessness or lack of focus. A diet may include foods you eat and any nutritional supplements you may take. The assumption is that some of the foods you eat may make ADHD symptoms better or worse. You also may be lacking some foods that could help to make the symptoms better. A naturopathic doctor can help consult about ADHD diets and other safe and natural remedies. Naturopathic physicians combine the wisdom of nature with the rigors of modern science. Steeped in traditional healing methods, principles, and practices, naturopathic medicine focuses on holistic, proactive prevention and comprehensive diagnosis and treatment. By using protocols that minimize the risk of harm, naturopathic physicians help facilitate the body's inherent ability to restore and maintain optimal health. It is the naturopathic physician's role to identify and remove barriers to good health by helping to create a healing internal and external environment. Naturopathic physicians work in private practices, hospitals, clinics, and community health centers. NDs practice throughout the United States and Canada. Qualified NDs undergo rigorous training before they become licensed healthcare practitioners. NDs treat all medical conditions and can provide both individual and family health care. Among most common ailments, they treat allergies, chronic pain, digestive issues, hormonal imbalances, obesity, respiratory conditions, heart disease, fertility problems, menopause, adrenal fatigue, hyperactivity, inability to focus, cancer, fibromyalgia, and chronic fatigue syndrome. NDs can perform minor surgeries such as removing cysts or stitching up superficial wounds. However, they do not practice major surgery. NDs are trained to utilize prescription drugs, although the emphasis of naturopathic medicine is the use of natural healing agents. A quick Google search and you can find one in your area. In this video, we went over meditation, ADHD diets, and naturopathic doctors. I am 100% confident that by trying all three, you will see an improvement in your child's behavior, study habits, and grades. Never give up on your child and go for a quick fix. The good mask the bad, and no one's child's life is an acceptable loss. I've done this video in memory of my son Tyler Kowalczyk. Tyler died Christmas night 2010 from an adverse reaction to ADHD medication. I am the founder of the Tyler Kowalczyk Foundation, and with the site ADHDecide.org, we share this information with the public in hopes that they to try to save other Tylers out there. Our children are the future and never ever need drugs. Just say no. Thank you for watching. Please share this with as many people as you can. Together we can save lives.